Hello बच्चों, let us read the question first. Give any two functions of rib cage. So इस particular question में first of all let us look at those structures जो help करते हैं in the formation of rib cage. Hence rib cage is formed by firstly the 12 pairs of ribs जो further divided हैं into true ribs, false ribs and floating ribs. ये जो रिब्स होते हैं ये फॉर्म करते हैं द लेटरल पोर्शन ऑफ द रिब केज बिकॉज ये प्रेजेंट होते हैं लेटरली. फर्दर रिब्स अटैच हो जाते हैं वेंट्रली टू अ फ्लैट शेप्ड बोन कॉल्ड एज स्टर्नम. रिब्स वेंट्रल साइड पे अटैच होते हैं टू द स्टर्नम एंड डॉर्सली इट इज अटैच्ड टू द thoracic vertebrae. ईच thoracic vertebrae के पास दो आर्टिकुलेशन सर्फेसेस होते हैं जो प्रोवाइड करते हैं, जो हेल्प करते हैं इन द अटैचमेंट ऑफ द 12 पेयर्स ऑफ रिब्स. इसीलिए जो thoracic vertebrae हैं they are bicephalic in nature due to the presence of two articulation surfaces. Hence ribs, sternum and thoracic vertebrae all together forms the rib cage जो एक air tight chamber है and also forms the thoracic cavity. Continuing further, now let us look at the various functions performed by the rib cage which are as follows. Firstly, ये help करता है, ये assist करता है in the process of breathing because when a person inspires air, जब एक person perform करता है inspiration तो जो ribs होते हैं they get lift up जिसकी वजह से जो thoracic वॉल्यूम होती है वो इंक्रीज हो जाती है फर्दर विच लीड्स टू द इंक्रीज ऑफ पल्मोनरी वॉल्यूम एंड जिसकी वजह से जो पल्मोनरी प्रेशर होता है इट ड्रॉप्स डाउन एंड द मूवमेंट ऑफ एयर कैन बी सीन फ्रॉम हाई प्रेशर टू लो प्रेशर दैट इज फ्रॉम द एटमॉस्फेयर टू द लंग्स. Similarly, when a person shows expiration that is जब वो expel out करता है air को तो जो ribs होते हैं they come back to their original position जिसकी वजह से जो thoracic volume होती है it get reduces. Further it reduces the pulmonary volume which increases the pulmonary pressure and the movement of air can be seen from lungs to the atmosphere that is from high pressure to low pressure. Secondly, ribs being bony in nature, ये provide करता है protection to vital organs such as heart and lungs. That is, it provides bony protection to the important organs, to the important internal organs that are heart and lungs. Thirdly, जो 11th and 12th pair होते हैं ribs का which are also referred as floating ribs because ये दोनों pair of ribs dorsally attachment show करते हैं with the thoracic vertebrae. ये ventrally sternum से attached नहीं होते हैं जिसकी वजह से ये cover कर लेते हैं kidneys को and further helps in the protection of kidney from any kind of external damage. Hence, concluding, these were the functions performed by rib cage that is, it helps in breathing, ये provide करता है protection to heart and lungs because organs like heart and lungs are situated within the rib cage and further it also provides protection to an organ like kidney. So I hope you must have understood it well. All the best.